So I took the wheel off, loosened these 5 screws here, which enables you to take out the entire, whatchamacallit. And you will need the spanner, the hub knot spanner, size 52, big mother F, fitting over this flange here, I hope. They're not wound on too tight, quite lightly actually. So that's off. I'm putting them in the order they've been taken off. There's another one. That comes the bearing. And now it's time to remove the brake caliper by undoing, I think, these 2 at the back. Oh, bloody hell. Heavy shit. Gotta clean that out. Clean all this out too. Grease and dirt. I flipped the thing over. And this is still leaking oil. This is the culprit. Leaking oil seal. I bought this set. 2 bearings, a seal, and 2 oil seals. I'm prying it out with a screwdriver, being careful not to damage the sides, like so. And then take out the bearing. Next up, I pried these open, took out all the bolts, and you can take this one off. Now this thing is loose. I cleaned up the surface, making sure no shit got into the actual thingy, and then cleaned up this one too. There's a very old gasket here, as you can see. Prying it all off, cleaning it up, and checking if there's any wear on here or there. If there's any rough areas, then you're up shit creek, because it'll eat up your new oil seal, rubber oil seal you've just installed. So this has got to be clean. Having put some silicone on it, replacing this one, and using some Loctite on the bolts, of course. Firmly tightening, bending these back in again. You can see the silicone streaming out. Right, well, as I understand it, applying the right torque to these is very important. If you put them too tight, the bearing will get overheated and burn up. So this is a thing of interest. Can't tell you what the right torque is.